Welcome to Top Tech. Today we'll dive into the power and precision of modern cutting machines, along with the top-notch skills of craftsmen mastering this incredible technology. The Stepkovich Maxim 620 STEL is a wood chipper designed to shred wood and vegetation into small chips or mulch. It is likely an electric-powered model, making it efficient for various applications. This machine is used in forestry, landscaping, and for bioenergy production. It processes branches, wood, and other organic materials into usable chips. Premier rotating tree saw, RT3400, is a forestry machine designed for cutting trees efficiently. It features a rotating saw that allows for precise cutting from multiple angles. The RT3400 model is built for heavy-duty tree felling and land clearing tasks. It is commonly used in logging operations for fast and safe tree cutting. Transporting the wood to the landing area like this is really not easy. It becomes even more challenging in tough, rugged terrains like these. However, nothing seems to be able to stop the workers here. With a winch and a cable, they have everything under complete control. A journey that begins with many difficulties and challenges as this guy has to struggle through this muddy patch. However, perhaps this situation won't be enough to stop him. The Adro Dominator Sega Spalt Automat is a new hydraulic log splitter and saw. It automatically cuts and splits logs into firewood using hydraulic power. The machine is efficient and suitable for both personal and commercial firewood production. It is designed for high performance in cutting and splitting logs. The TigerCat 635 skidder is a powerful forestry machine designed for skidding logs in rugged terrain. Manufactured by TigerCat, it features a strong winch for pulling logs and excellent maneuverability. The 635 is built for heavy-duty logging operations, offering durability and efficiency. It is ideal for use in rough forest environments. The Rotary debarker RO5500 is a machine used in the forestry industry to remove bark from logs. It operates by rotating around the log, using specialized tools or rollers to peel the bark without damaging the wood. This machine helps prepare logs for further processing. It is commonly used for efficient bark removal in logging operations. Raptor 800 HD DLA HWIM 900 is a high-performance mulching and land clearing machine. It combines the Raptor 800 track vehicle with the AHWIM 900 mulching head, making it capable of processing large vegetation, including trees and shrubs. This machine is ideal for forestry and land clearing tasks. It provides one of the best-in-class mulching solutions for heavy-duty applications. Bear C6H8 is a powerful six-wheeled harvester designed for cutting and processing large trees. Manufactured by the Finnish company Ponsi, it is equipped with an H8 harvester head for efficient felling, delimbing, and processing. This machine is ideal for heavy-duty forestry operations. Its robust design makes it suitable for handling big trees with ease. Ponsi Ergo C5H7 is a 5-wheeled harvester designed for felling large trees in forestry. It features the H7 harvester head, optimized for cutting, delimbing, and processing big trees. Manufactured by Ponso, it offers high efficiency and ergonomic design. The machine is ideal for heavy-duty logging and timber harvesting. The Posh K650 is a firewood processor designed for cutting and splitting logs into firewood. Manufactured by Posh, it combines a cutting system and a splitter for efficient processing. The K650 is ideal for small to medium-scale firewood production. It is suitable for both personal and commercial use. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you in the next one.